Hello, I've got a story about a dragon and a bird. The dragon and the bird become friends. Sylvia and Bird, written and illustrated by Catherine Rayner. In a faraway place on a high mountain top lived a shiny dragon named Sylvia. Sylvia loved her leafy home, but sometimes she felt sad. She had searched the whole world, but had never found any other dragons. Sylvia was lonely. She gave a big, blustery sigh. And there, under the leaves, was a small, surprised bird. Bird was building a nest, and Sylvia thought she might be able to help. Bird and Sylvia became friends. Being together was so much fun. Bird and Sylvia spent all their days together, just like friends do. But when Bird went to chitter-chatter with the other birds, Sylvia felt alone. Bird belonged with the other birds, but Sylvia was different. She had no dragons to belong with. Sylvia crept away. She gazed up at the night sky. Maybe there were other dragons living on the moon. She could go and see, but the thought of leaving Bird made Sylvia feel sadder than ever. But Bird saw that Sylvia was unhappy. She had an idea. They would go to the moon together. Off they set, racing up through the cool blue skies. But as Bird and Sylvia whirled higher and higher, Bird grew cold and tired. Suddenly she began to tumble down, down, down through the clouds. With a cry, Sylvia swooped to catch her tiny friend and gently carried her home. And there they stayed. For Sylvia had realised she didn't need other dragons to be happy. The best friend in the whole world was loving, loyal Bird.